Today I will read the story about the monkey and the crocodile. There once lived a crocodile in a river. On one bank of the river was an apple tree. One morning, the crocodile was longingly looking at a juicy apple. I wish I could eat that, he thought aloud. Just then, a monkey appeared, plucked the apple, and threw it at the crocodile. They soon became good friends. Seeing their friendship, the crocodile's wife got jealous. She told him, "The heart of the monkey who eats such sweet and juicy apples would be so sweet. I want to eat his heart." The crocodile tried to convince his wife, but in vain. In vain. Finally, he went to the monkey and said, "Come, friend, let me take you for a ride." The monkey happily hopped on. In the middle of the river, the crocodile told him the entire story. "Oh!" the monkey exclaimed, "You should have told me earlier. I left my heart on the tree." The foolish crocodile took the monkey back. The monkey jumped on the tree and never spoke to the crocodile again. The moral of the story is friendship is all about trust.